One is called simple Shraddha, understand? General Shraddha. And authentic Shraddha. That English word, what is it? Unfaithful? Faith. That is Jit Goswami Pada Sandarbha explaining this. Don't take my offense. You can put many. That is, no problem. Because many people are coming, everybody, oh, I want to say Giriraj Govardhan, I want to say Jagannath, I want to say Ramchandra, I want to say the, okay, can do. But you should be one pointed with your Istadeva. Then when you coming in the higher stage, that time only your Istadev, who is Istadev? Srimati Radhika. Huh? Madhisa Nadate Madhvina Chandra Brajavaneshwari Raghunath Das Goswami. Manasik Chaikarit. Because why I am saying? Because how to step by step develop your Shraddha, one-pointed Shraddha. That is called what Shraddha? Atantiki Shraddha. Because this Atantiki Shraddha, understand? Unquenchable, what is called? Unfetchable faith. This is also going towards Goloka Vrindavan. And if you are not authentic Shraddha, very difficult. Remember this thing. Sometimes in Prachar, lok attraction, that is called lok attraction. For this are putting the many deities in our altars. Laddu Gopal is there, and Radha Krishna is there. Many things are many. Why? Because to attract the people. That's called prachar. Prachar, understand? Prachar means preaching. Preaching. Otherwise, you order only Radha Krishna. Oh, there is nothing, only Radha Krishna. Very Ramachandra. Those who are worship Ramachandra. Oh, I came this temple. Yeah, there are no Ramachandra, no Ram Lakshmana Sita. Understand? Those who are saying, oh, I came to the temple, I did not see Jagannath there. So for this regard, you are putting this thing for this called Loko Prachar. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained for the, what is called? Just I forget. Preaching to the people. So you can do, this is not offense. But if you do bhajan and sadhana, then your Istadev, who is your Istadev? Only Srimati Radhika. And that will be Krishna. Krishna is one. I worship Krishna. Why? Because my Istadev Srimati Radhika, she loves Krishna. Pandit Raghunath Das Goswami explained, Manasik Chakravarti, Madhisa Anatate Mat Vipina Chandra. My Istadevi. Who is my Istadevi? Srimati Radhika. So why I worship to Krishna? Because Srimati Radhika, she loves Krishna. So for this regard, I give respect to Krishna. Understand? This is very high level. Those who are the exalted devotee. I am speaking to step by step. According to your level, you can do. Don't take my offense. Understand? So now coming in this way. Gopkumar, he heard this saying, but I just to explain, Mahaprabhu told, Brahmanda Bhravati Kono, Bhagavan ji, Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai, Bhakti Lata Bij. So just take it intensely. What is that? Bhakti Lata Bij. The seed of Bhakti. Bhakti Lata. That is called Shraddha. Faith. And that Shraddha is called, Vishwanath is saying, that is called Krishna Seva Vasana. And Krishna Seva Vasana. Understand? They have to serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva Vasana. Bona fide Guru, he gives these types of seed in the heart of his disciples through mantra. So in Brahmanda Brahmiti Kono Bhagavan Ji Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Latavi Mali Hoya Sevi Kari Arupan Shravan Kirtan Jali Karo Sechan. Guru gave you seed of Bhakti Lata. Understand? But you have to give water every day. And if you not give the water, this seed will never sprouted. And you have to put water every day. This is the process. So it is Shravan Kirtan Jal. What is that? Shravan Kirtan. The water that is called? Shravan Kirtan. Listen Hari Katha. Glorify pastimes of Krishna. One day coming temple, maybe next month we'll want to come and talk back. This is not the process to sprout the seed of Bhakti Lata. Every day you have to come temple, take darshan Thakurji. Understand? Most of the devotees, when any sadhus coming, preachers coming, they are coming. Then they return back, not coming. But no, every day you have to come in temple. This is the process. And listen Hari Katha. Sad Thakurji. And do Kirtan, Nam Sankirtan. Look, here Thakurji is very nice, beautiful deities. I saw here Thakurji is very beautiful, attractive. And Lord Jagannath also here. Maybe Maharaj is saying also, Gurudev Murti is coming also. So every day you have to come. You have to make one, what is called? Niyam. Niyam means? Bhav, rules. And every day you have to come to temple. And if you go Jaipur, understand? And every day thousand people are coming to take darshan to Lord Jagannath Dev. What is called? Govinda Dev. Balo Govinda Dev ki. Have you been to Jaipur? Who went to Jaipur? Have you seen? Every day thousand people are coming. And so you have to make one bhav. This is the process. You just, they were sadhu coming 1 day, 2 days, 5 days. Don't be very tired. No. And every day. If you go Jagannath Puri, every day thousand people. They are taking darshan to Lord Jagannath. Boy Jai Jagannath ki jai. Why saying these things? You have to make this vow. This is the process. So now coming in this way. Understand? And Sahib Thakurji. With your body, mind and speech. Etavat janma safalam pranartha dhiya vacha sriya acharan sada. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. You serve Guru and Krishna with your body, mind and speech. And if you have money, also serve to Thakurji. Bring some flowers, offer in Thakurji. Offer some fruits to Thakurji. So saying Srimad Bhagavatam explain. Etavat janma safalam prana artha dhiya vacha sriya acharanam sada. And do bhajan and sadhana. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So now coming in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Rupa Goswami, hey Rupa, listen, Brahmanda Praviti Kono Bhagavan Ji, Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Lata Ji. Guru gave you everything. Just you realize yourself. Understand? You realize yourself. That's called self-realization will come. Anubhav. How? Chanting holy names, servicing Guru and Vaishnava, and Vigraha Seva, Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathuravad, और श्रीमूर्ति श्रद्धा सेवन सकल साधन श्रेष्ठ এই পাঁচের অল্প সঙ্গ। কৃষ্ণ প্রেম জন্মায় পাঁচের অল্প সঙ্গ। There are 5 processes how to attain your perfection goal. What is the 5 process? Sadhu Sangha. Always associate with sadhu. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, chant holy names. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Bhagavad Shravan, you listen Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Or Mathura Vas, you have to stay Mathur Mandal. Here Mathura Vas means Mathur Mandal, 84 crores Vrindavan. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathura Vas, or Srimurti, Shraddhai Seva. Serve Thakurji with firm faith. Thakurji is a Vigraha. Vigraha means Israel. B means Vishesh Rupana Grahanam. That means Thakurji, specially he accepts your offering. Whatever offering, Thakurji accepts. Thakurji accepts your offering. Vigraha. So Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathura Vas, और श्रीमूर्ति श्रद्धाय सेवन। सकल साधन श्रेष्ठ पांचेर अल्प समय। कृष्ण प्रेम जन्माय पांचेर अल्प समय। Very quick. So now coming in this way. Gopkumar, he has so much faith with his Guru. And especially he always felt pang of separation from his Guru. Disciple should be feel separation from my Guru. That is called Viraha. Viraha Agni. Viraha is as like fire. Fire burns everything. In the same way, if you feel separation from Guru and Krishna, then all your unwanted things, unearthas, will be burned. This is the process. Cry for Krishna. Bhadavar Goswami says, no, first cry for Gurudev. Cry for Gurudev. Krishna will not listen to your prayers. Who will listen to your prayers? Guru Pahad. Because a relationship coming with Guru and same relationship going towards Krishna. Samandha, Avidya and Prayojan. 3 things are there. Samandha means, that is called the knowledge of relationship. Understand? Gurudev, for this regard, Gurudev, he is called Samandha Pradata. What did he say? Samandha Pradata. That means one who gives the knowledge of relationship with my Istadeva. Who gives? Guru Padma. Understand? So Guru Padma, he is called Samandha Pradata. Sanskrit word. Samandha Pradata, Guru Padma. Or Ovidya, that is the process, bhakti, how to worship Thakur. Or Prayojan, goal, how to attain to divine love, Prem Prayojan. So now coming in this way, Gopkumar, he was staying in Jagannath Puri, but he felt pang of separation from his Guru. He worshipped Thakurji, this is true. But Thakurji does not talk with him. You are worshipping Thakurji. Thakurji is speaking with you or not? Nothing. So Gopkumar, thinking what to do. Then Gopkumar is thinking, what to do? I have to leave this place. Why? Because here one thing he is feeling in his heart. Now he is the king of Jagannath Puri. When he used to come in the temple, take darshan to Lord Jagannath, then all his associates, the king is coming, automatically all his associates, Parikar, understand, army chief of the armies, and police, these are coming. And if ordinary visitors coming, then they also heard chastisement. Hey, go! King is coming. Maharaj Pradhar rahe hai. King is coming. And that time the public come to take darshan to Lord Jagannath. And that time Gokumar he told, I noticed that public, they feel something in their heart. Because I am the cause of their obstacle to take darshan. You understand? Gopal is thinking, before I was not king, very easy to come in. But now I am king of Jagannath Puri. When I used to come to take darshan to Lord Jagannath, that time all the, what is called, security guards, they also are told to the public, no one can take darshan now, because king is coming. Understand? If any president or high class any minister coming, then all road completely what? Closed. 5, 10, 15 minutes on our road closed. You cannot go there. And many cars up, front and big. Understand? Many security guards, they are gone this way. General people cannot go. In the same way, Gopkumar, he noticed how the public people, they are feeling pain in their heart. Because I am the root cause of the obstacles to darshan to Jagannath. Gopkumar, he realized himself. When he used to come take darshan to Lord Jagannath, praying some things, Tav Stuti. In the meantime, his, what is called, private secretary coming. Maharaj, immediately you come in the Parliament house. Emergency, you have to do meeting, this. That time I have to go. Then my Tav Stuti, everything is what? Stop. Gopkumar he noticed these things and feeling pain. Because Gopkumar compared himself before king and now he is king. You understand? Before he was not king, ordinary person. That very easy to take darshan to Lord Jagannath. Many hours can sit little far from Jagannath and taking darshan. Now not so possible. Maybe 10, 15 minutes, take darshan, then his ministers and they saying, king come back, this emergency period, these things, and we have to discuss, and leave it. So Gopkumar is thinking, why? Now I am the king of Jagannath Puri. I want to serve to Jagannath, but now big problem has come in my life. I cannot take darshan to Lord Jagannath. Just 10, 15 minutes offering flowers, do Tav Stuti. Understand? Jagannath Tav Stuti. Maybe 1, 2 verses. Then my minister and other team, king, come. I have to go. So I'm thinking, what to do now? One day, some person they came in from heavenly planet. They glorified about Upendra. In heavenly planet, the God is there. And Indra, who is the king of heaven, he worshipped Thakurji Upendra very nicely. And they glorified about Upendra, very nice bit Then Gopakumar is thinking, I have to go heaven, Sargaloka. Yes? But one day Lord Jagannath had come in his dream, told, hey Gopakumar, don't leave this place, Jagannath Puri. And you have to stay here. Look, you are a Brajavasi. Why are you going to heaven? Look, is Jagannath Puri. Is not different from Vrindavan. Look, this ocean is as like Jabuna. Blue water of the ocean. This is called the Jabuna. Look, this very nice, beautiful garden. This is called Vrindavan. In this way, Lord Jagannath glorified about Vrindavan Dham in Jagannath Puri. Sometimes I'm thinking, no, I don't want to, I should not go heaven. I have to stay where? In Jagannath Puri. I don't want to go anywhere. This is Vrindavan. How is beautiful this place. If you go Jagannath Puri, they will think this is Vrindavan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri 18th years continuing. How many years? 18th years. Actually, he was staying in Jagannath Puri 24 years. But 6 years, sometimes he was coming and going. That is Gatagali. Sometimes he used to go South India. Sometimes he traveled Vrindavan. But continue 18th years. And he was staying in Jagannath Puri. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, this Jagannath is not different from Krishna. Vigraha nahega tumi Sakshat Brajendra Nandan. Mahaprabhu, when he was dancing in front of Lord Jagannath, what is he thinking? He was thinking, this is direct Krishna, who is the son of Nanda Maharaj. Don't you see Jagannath? What do you see? You see Jagannath is direct son of Nanda Maharaj. Understand? This is the process. So Mahaprabhu told, Vigraha Nayagatami Sakshat Brajendra Nandan. This thing. This is Jagannath Puri. Very nice, beautiful. Ocean is as like Jaguna. And many trees are there, you can see there. Very nice, beautiful forest. Not many buildings, but that time it was a very nice, beautiful place. So Gopakumar is thinking, no, I should not go anywhere. This is my ultimate goal, Jagannath Puri. This is Vrindavan, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, these things. This is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also. And especially when Jagannath temple closed, what time? After public bathing festival, understand? That is called Sran Jatra. Then Lord Jagannath, he performs one Leela, that is called what Leela? Sikh. Leela. So much water, nose running, water and fever. And that time, Pujari closed the door. Understand? About 2 weeks. That time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he felt thanks separation from Krishna. He used to go where? Alalnath. So now coming in this way, Gopakumar is thinking, no, I should not go anywhere. Then again, he is thinking, wealth is the perpetual source of all kinds of distress. Wealth is the perpetual source of all kinds of distress. Why? Because now I am king. Gopakumar is thinking, now I am the king of Jagannath Puri. So much also burden on my head. This is true or wrong? When you are brahmachari, then no duty and responsibilities. When you married, When you marry, duty responsibility is not. Eh? Then children coming, more and more burden coming. Eh? This is true or wrong? You try to understand. So namely you compare your brahmachari life and married life, household life. Which is the best? Brahmachari life. Eh? This is true or wrong? Many duty and responsibilities coming. In the same, why I am saying this? Because he is saying, Jogab Kumar is saying, before I was free, just I come to take darshan to Lord Jagannath. And now I am the king of Jagannath Puri. So many responsibilities. Do this. High post means is what? So much responsibility. Headache. Headache coming or not? Give an example. Who is the ordinary brahmachari in the temple? No responsibilities. Eating, sleeping, and watching mobile. Facebook, this book. Making many friends. But who is the temple commander? Headache, no? Every month have to pay the bills, electric bills, this bills, and the money will come. This is true or not? Who is the temple president? Just I give an example, simple way. So much headache. Maharaj is saying, if I get $5, then big festival. Because who is the temple president? Who has responsibilities? You have to every month pay many kinds of bills. Or who is ordinary brahmachari who is staying in a temple? Sometimes coming Mangalarti, sometimes not. Sometimes sleeping. Sometimes you also little bit servicing, no? Eating prasad. But if you have the temple president, you have responsibility many things. That's true. In the same way, Gopal is thinking, oh my God, what will do now? Because I am now king of Jagannath Puri. So many responsibilities. What will do now? But here Jagannath saying, Gop Kumar, don't go away from this place. We stay here. This thing. Then Gop Kumar have to go back to Vrindavan. Jagannath Puri means is what? This is a part of, what is it called? Dwarkapuri. That is called opulence place. This is not the Vrindavan. For those who are Mahabhagavat, Uttam Bhagavat, they absorbed. If he looks anything, then what kinds of uddipan, stimulation coming in his heart. Stavar jangam dekhe na dekhe tar murti, jaha jaha netra bade ishta deve spurti, ban dekhe bham hoy ei Vrindavan, jaha nodi dekhe manoe kalindi, mahapremi bhasi jai kandi. Those are Uttam Mahabhagavat. You understand? Very high class, exalted, the devotee of Lord. If he looks in a small mountain, he is thinking, this is Giriraj Govardhan. Then also absorb, reciting the glorification of Giriraj Govardhan. Antayodri Avala Haridasu Varju Jad Ram Krishna Charan Sparsa Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopagani Paniya Sujabasa Kandara Kandamule. If he looks on small river, what are you thinking? This is Jamuna. Then automatically stimulation coming in his heart. Bhaduranta Kashapattane Avipeti Harini Prekchayati Papina Gopi Papa Sindhu Tarini Niramadhu Gopi Asachitta Vandini Mangpunatu Sarvadarapan. Mang punatu sarvadar vindabandhu nandini hari bari dara yobi manditoru kandava. In this way, Uttam Bhagavat, he does not look any gross things. Sarva bhutishu japasya bhagavad bhava atman. Bhagavad bhagavad atman so Uttama Bhagavatam. Who is called Uttam Bhagavat? You understand? Uttam Bhagavat, he does not look any gross things. He looks his Ishtadev and mood. Sarva bhuteshu japasyet bhagavad bhavat atman. He looks everywhere Ishtadev. And all the living entities, they start to study with his own mood. And understand? This is Uttam Bhagavat. So learn these slokas. Uttam Bhagavat means Sarva Bhuteshu Japasit Bhagavad Bhav Atmano. Bhagavati Bhavat Atmano. So Uttamas Bhagavata. Madhyam Bhagavat. Intermediate devotee. Intermediate devotees, 4 qualifications. Isari, Tadodhinesu, Balisesu, Didasucha, Prema Mitri, Kripa Preksha, Jakorosit Koroti, Sa Madhyama. Madhyam means intermediate devotee. Madhyam Bhagavat. Understand? Isare Tadodhinesu, Balisesu, Didasucha, Prema Mitri, Kripa Preksha, Jakoroti, Sa Madhyama. Prema Maitri. He makes friendship with all the devotees. Prema. Maitri. Prema Maitri. Kripa. He gives mercy to all the living people. Prema Maitri Kripa. Prema Maitri Kripa. Or Upeksha. Upeksha means neglects those who are envious with the Guru and Vaishnava. So Madhyam Bhagavat is Isare Tadodhinesu Balisesu Didasucha Prema Maitri Kripa Preksha Jakaroti Sa Madhyama. And Konishta Adhikari, Nephi devotees, Orche Meja Hari Pujang Ja Sadhesu, Not Adbhaktesu Chanesu, Sabhakta Prakita Smrita. Konishta, that means, what is called? The
soft faith. Soft.
Konishta Bhakta, that is called very soft faith. But he has soft faith, little bit faith with the instruction of Guru. Or Gurudev says, this is Vigraha, it's Thakur, you are. Orche mein Hare Puja no Sadhisu. No problem will come, he will take the Thakurji and throw in the river. Understand? Because he has no knowledge of the scriptures. So 3 kinds of Bhagavat. Kanishta Bhagavat, Madhyam Bhagavat and Uttam Bhagavat. So Uttam Bhagavat, actually we discussed with Uttam Bhagavat, Gopkumar is saying this way. Actually this Jagannath Puri is called the part of Dwarka Puri. Understand? In our Raganuga Bhakti, also one thing is there, and obstacles, what is called? Dwarka Dhyan, obstacles, Dwarka Dhyan. You should not meditate, and Rukmini Dhyan, Dwarka Dhyan. This is the obstacles of your Raganuga Bhakti. Okay, so coming in this way. So, now coming in this, actual Gopkumar is thinking, this Jagannath Puri, actually not Vrindavan. This is the part of Dwarka. Those are Uttam Bhagavat, they're thinking, oh, this is Vrindavan, this is these things. Vrindavan. Understand? Janani Janamishya Sarga Devi Gariyasi. mother and motherland is higher than the heaven. Vrindavan. Eh? Because if you go Vrindavan, this spontaneous, all kinds of stimulation, uddipan, will come in your heart. Eh? For the Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Eh? Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutira Govardhana Parvata Jamunatira. Khagamriga Kula Malaya Batasa. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely in sequence explained. If you go Vrindavan, your heart automatically what? Overjoyed in ecstatic mood coming. You can see the Giriraj Govardhan, that Giriraj Govardhan is there. If you stay in Jagannath Puri, you cannot see the Giriraj Govardhan. Just to impose, arup. Oh, this mountain is as like Giriraj Govardhan. But if you come in Vrindavan, and you can directly see how is Giriraj Govardhan. Radha Kunda, Syama Kunda, Jamuna River. Bolo Giriraj Maharaj. Radha Kunda, Syama Kunda, automatically your heart will overjoyed. Vrindavanam Sakhi Bobo, Bitanoti Kirtin, Jad Devaki. Padav Sutab Jaluksmi Govinda Benunumatta Mayura Nittam Preksadri Sanna Bharatanna Samasta Sattam. Benugit. If you go Vrindavan, you can see how is beautiful Vrindavan. Giriraj Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Syam Kunda, and also Jamuna Devi. She is flowing, very nice, beautiful Jamuna Devi. Seva Kunja, Nidhi Bhavan, Nikunja Bhavan, how is beautiful Vrindavan. So many glorification about Vrindavan. So Gopakumar is thinking, I have to return back my birthplace, Vrindavan Dham. And especially Giriraj Govardhan, Jamuna is there. This thing. But again and again, Lord Jagannath had come in his dream, told, hey Gopakumar, don't leave this place. Stay with me. Jagannath Dev so much attached with Gopakumar. For this regard, Jagannath Dev told, no, don't go. You stay here. But Gopakumar is thinking, no, I have to go Vrindavan. Sometimes Gopakumar, he took all his, what is called, luggage, and he started to go. Then Lord Jagannath told, no, Gopakumar, don't go. You stay here. I am same Krishna. Now I am staying in Jagannath Puri. I am same Krishna. But this is not true. Understand? Because Vrindavan Krishna, he always remains in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam prittajam padve mekam nagacchati. Krishna says, I never go out one step from Vrindavan. Understand? Vrindavanam prittajam padmekam nagacchati. Vrindavan Krishna, he always remains. Coming Mathura to Dwaraka, he is Prakash. Prakash and manifestation. Vrindavan Krishna, he is always staying in Vrindavan. But here Jagannath is saying, Gopakumar, look, I am saying Krishna. But Gopakumar is saying, no, I have to go. So in this way, Gopakumar, sometimes he is thinking, I have to go back Vrindavan, or sometimes he is thinking, no, I have to stay here. This is going on this way. Then finally, I told some persons came from heavenly planet and glorified about Upendra. Eh? Upendra Bhagavan is there. How demigod and demigod, especially Indra, who is the king of heaven, worship to Lord Upendra Chaturbhuj. And then he glorified to Upendra Bhagavan and direct manifested Upendra. And Upendra, in Sargaloka, Upendra, he speaks with Indra and Mother Aditi and others. But Jagannath Puri, Jagannath Dev, and he does not speak directly. So for this, Gopakumar is thinking, okay, it is better, I have to go where? Heaven, Sargaloka. Then Gopakumar, he chanted Gopal Mantra. Because only I am saying, this Gopal Mantra is very powerful. If you chant Gopal Mantra, if your any, what is it called? Desire will come. And mantra will fulfill all your desires. So Gopakumar one day he was chanting this Gopal Mantra. Then he thinking, yes, I have to go heaven, Sargaloka. And and direct I talk with him. Then Gopakumar, very quick, he arrived in Sargaloka, Balavrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Now Gopakumar in heaven, Sargaloka. And in Gopakumar he saw Upendra Bhagavan is there. Very nice, beautiful deity, Sankha Chakra Gada Padmadhari, Chaturbhuj. And Gopakumar he saw all that demigod is headed by Indra and his mother Aditi. Lord himself, he is speaking with them and saying, hey Indra, you should not do this. He gives direct instruction to Indra. Then when Gopakumar he noticed, he became very surprised. In Jagannath Puri, Lord Jagannath, he did not direct talk with me. But here, Upendra Dev Bhagavan, he direct speaks with Indra and mother Aditi. Then Gopakumar he noticed how demigod and demigod is. They serve to Lord Upendra Dev. Because heavenly planet, everything is what? Ever fresh. Understand? In material world, you cannot get anything fresh. Understand? But heavenly planet, everything is what? Ever fresh. Taja mal. Understand? And very nice, beautiful. And all the demigods, they also dancing, singing in front of Lord Upendra Dev. Understand? And Lord is very happy. Yeah. And everybody completely intoxicated and with the jubilation. Very nice going on this celebration is going on this way. Gopakumar he noticed how demigod is and demigod, they serve to Lord Upendra Dev Bhagavan. Then Gopakumar you think, oh, now my life is successful. But Gopakumar is thinking, if I would, the king of heaven, Indra, then I will serve to Lord very nicely. Gopakumar in his heart, one eager coming, how to serve to Lord more and more. Look this thing, from beginning to now. So one day he chant Gopal Mantra and thinking, I will serve to Upendra. And I want to get the position of Indra. And then what happened? In the seventh lord, Indra, and he did some committed offense, aparad, some. Then he left the Sargaloka. Then all the demigods, they told, hey Gopakumar, you take this position. Then Gopakumar now he is the king of heaven. Look, but Gopakumar, he goes every planet, remember, but he did not very simple way. He become king of what place? Ananta Padmanabha. And morning I told.
Trivandrum.
Eh?
Trivandrum.
Trivandrum, this thing. But he did not took any royal dress. Understand? A very simple cowherd boy. This thing, always this thing. Actually, this is the Gopakumar, this types of his Vairagya. And he is the king. Now he is the king of heaven. But he is always staying in as like cowherd boy. Very simple way, simple cloth. No any gorgeous silken cloth, nothing. Very simple. Because Gopakumar in his mind, everything is thinking. Everything belongs to God. Why I have to take? Isavasya sarvamidam jatkinchan jagattang jagat tena takna bhundita ma gricha kassa siddhanam. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, how do you know he is a liberated person? Do you understand? How do you know he is Mukta Purusha? Mukta Purusha means he is what? Not 4 hands or 4 legs. Mukta Purusha means he is what? Here this verse explained. You know, how do you know he is a liberated person? Isavasan sarvam midam jatkincha jagattang jagat tene takta bhunjita magita kasha siddhanam. You think everything belongs to Krishna. So I have to offer everything for Krishna's seva. This is the symptom of Mukta Purush. How do you know he is liberated person? Isavasa sarvamidam jatkinchan jagattang jagat tene takta bhunjita ma gridhakasya siddhanam. You did Jayavadharma. Jayavadharma Bhaktivinoda Thakur also explained this way. How do you know this person is liberated person? He is thinking everything belongs to Krishna. Krishna seva. He accepts something and for and you have to eat. So what will you eat? Which offered to Thakurji. Bhagavad Prasad. Because without eating, you cannot maintain your life. So for this regard, you have to eat. What you will eat? Which offered to Thakurji. Bhagavad Prasad. So the Isha Vasra Sarvamidam Jatkincha Jagatang Jagat Tena Takta Bhunjita Magricha Kasha Siddhanam. So Gopakumar, now he is completely liberated person. Otherwise, how possible come in heaven Sargaloka? How possible he took the position of Indra? Oh, now he is the king of heaven, Indra. And he worships Thakurji very nicely. Many things, but time is over. Just I briefly tell you, I have to go. Then Gopakumar is staying in there. Very nicely served to Thakurji. But sometimes Lord Upendra Dev disappear. Always not staying. That time Gopakumar. Then Gopakumar is thinking, oh, here Lord is not giving darshan. Then one day some persons came from Satyaloka, Brahmaloka. They glorified about Brahmaloka, Satyaloka, and how it's beautiful. There Brahmaji is staying in there. And Brahmaji is not ordinary person. From Dharma, 100 births. Then you will take the position of Brahma. Our scriptures explain this way. If you have to become Brahmachari, how many births? 100 births. After 100 births, then you will get the position of Brahma. Because Brahma is the creator. Srishtikarta Brahma. Vishnu, he nourishment to all the living entities. Or Shivji, he is called the Dhangsakarta. What did he say? He destroys everything. So if you get the position of Brahma, not so easy. So now coming this way. So some person came from heavenly, what is called Brahmalok, Satyaloka, and glorified to Brahmalok, Satyalok. And Brahmaji every day, and he chanted Vedas mantra, and performing fire sacrifice, and he has 4 heads, and Chaturmukh Brahma, and when he chanted the Vedas mantra, Om Bhurhuva, this one. Om Tad Vishnu Paramam Padam Sada Pashanti Suraya Diviva Chuksuratatam. And offering fire sacrifice. Then Sahasra Sirsa Vishnu and manifested from the fire sacrifice. Sahasra Sirsa Vishnu means Lord, and who has thousand hoods, Lord Vishnu, he appears. And understand? That Lord is called Sahasra Sirsa Vishnu. And that time Lord Sahasra Sirsa Vishnu, he gives you this way, this way, this way. But one thing also I tell to thee, every kalpa, not very difficult to find out these types of jivas who will take charge the position of Brahma. Understand? So now one is called Vairaj Brahma, another is called Hiranyagarbha Brahma. Those jivas perform hard austerities, 100 births, and perform celebration of his life, brahmacharya or varnashram dharma. He will take charge the position of Brahma, but very difficult to find out. Yeah. And that time Lord, and that Brahma is called, what Brahma? Hiranyagarbha Brahma. So remember, Tattva Siddhanta. Two kinds of Brahma. One is called Vairaj Brahma, that is called Jiva Tattva. You understand? And another Brahma is called Bhagavat Tattva Brahma. That is called Hiranyagarbha Brahma. Yeah. So now coming this way, because some person came from Satyaloka, glorify about Satyaloka. How beautiful the place. Thousand times higher than heavenly planet. You cannot believe how beautiful this in Satyaloka. Because this is the highest planet according to our 14th planetary systems, Chaturdash Brahmanda. And this is called Prithvi Lok, Bhulok. Bhur, Bhuva, Maha, Jana, Tapa, Satya. And in lower also 7. Tal, Atal, Vital, Sutal, Rasatal, Talatal, Patal. So that means Satyalok is the highest, topmost place. And Brahmaji is staying in there. So Brahma is the creator of this material world. Understand this? So Gopkumar, when he heard the glories of Satyaloka and Brahmaji, Brahmaji every day chanted mantra and performing fire sacrifice, and he gives instruction to Brahma. Hey Brahma, you should do this way, this way, this way. How to create? Brahma Samhita also explained. Krishna gave the Gopal mantra. Understand? You read Brahma Samhita. Krishna gave the Gopal mantra to Brahmaji through his flute. Many things are there if you tell. Because Gopal mantra is very powerful. That is called Mantra Raj, the king of all mantra. Then Gopkumar is thinking, I have to go where? Satyaloka, Brahmaloka. But when he decided to go, then he about to proceed, then on the way many planets are there. That is called Janalok, Tapalok. Rishi Munis are there, Tapalok they are saying. And they told, hey Gopkumar, why are you going to Satyaloka? Stay with us. You meditate here, then you can see your Ishtadev. No need to go Satyaloka. They told. Many things, Brihad Bhagavatam, you read Brihad Bhagavatam, many Tattva Siddhanta, so much interest will come. If you enter deep philosophy, you read Brihad Bhagavatam. I have no time, I have to speak many. Then finally, Gopkumar, he arrived in Satyaloka. And when Gopkumar he arrived, then something happened by Jogmaya, and that time Brahma's 100 years finished. Brahma, how long he is staying in there? 100 years. Understand? Because our scriptures also say, Brahma Bhuvana Loka Purananuvartine So Arjuna. Hey Arjun, even you go to heaven, how long will you stay Brahma Loka? 100 years. The Brahma's age 100 years. When his 100 years finished, then he had to come down. And so saying this, A Brahma Bhuvano Luka Punanuvartino Sohorjuna. So that time what happened, Brahmaji, his age finished. Then all the residents of Satuluka, they request to Gopkumar, you have to take this position. Then Gopkumar, he become Brahma. Look this thing. Now he is Brahma. But he has no four mouths. Because always I am saying this thing, Sanatana Goswami, Gopkumar, he goes every place, but his form is always Gopa form. Understand? Cover form. Now Gopkumar, he is the king of, he is the position of Brahma. Gopkumar, he performed fire sacrifice. Then Sahasra Sirsha Vishnu appeared and giving many instructions to him, how to create, how to maintain. And sometimes many demons, they attack material world, spiritual activities. Then Prithvi Devi manifested in the form of cows. Then Prithvi Devi, she comes in heavenly planet, asks to demigod, demigoddess, please help us. Then demigod, demigoddess, we cannot help. Come to Brahmaji. Then Brahmaji, he comes. And this many things. Brahmaji has so many duties. Gopkumar, you think, oh my God, why I am taking this position? Because if you take the position, so much bad headache. Just I gave him, if you are the temple president, then you can understand. Position is very good. Everybody say, oh, you are temple president. Name is very good, sweet, but very difficult to maintain. So many headaches. Any brahmachari did some wrong, then police will come and arrest to temple president. And our brahmachari ran away. Look this thing. Understand? Everything. We are looking at India. Sometimes brahmachari doing something, then police coming and also chastisement to temple president. Even temple president, he does not know anything, nothing. What happened? But everybody also are rebuke, use harsh word to temple president. Oh, this is it. You have responsibility, everything. So many responsibilities. So I am saying, because same thing is there. Gopkumar now is Brahma, he has so many responsibilities. Every day, demigoddess, they are complaining, hey Brahmaji, please help to us, this. Demon, they disturb to us. Most of the times of the heavenly planet, they are fighting demigoddess and demon. And that demigoddess, they ask to Brahmaji, hey Brahmaji, please. Gopi Gita also. Gopi are saying, Vikhano sarthito Vishwaguptaye Sakhe Udiyavan Sattatankule Atati Jad Bhavan Annikananan Truti Jugayate Tam Poshatam Kutila Kuntalang Srimukanchate Jadaudrek Chatang Twakshake Drisam. Gopi, they also chastisement to Brahma. Hey Brahma, you are completely foolish, Muraka. Why? You manifested a very nice, beautiful form of our beloved Krishna. But you give us only 2 eyes. So how possible to see the beautiful form of our beloved Krishna? No harm, 2 eyes. Okay, no harm. But you gave us what things? Eyelids. So how possible to take this? So sometimes gopis, they give curse to Brahma. Hey Brahma, tu Marise. Hey Brahmaji, you have to die. Look, if you read Gopi Gita, this is not mine, this is my commentary. You read Gopi Gita. Even gopis, they also are, they give curse to Brahma. So I compare this way. If you the temple president, then your neighbors will be criticize you. And chastisement you, not others. So Gopi is also saying the same thing. Atati Jada Bhavan अन्निकाननं त्रुटि जुगायते ताम पश्यताम कुटिलकुन्तलं श्रीमुखञ्चते जडोदृक्षतां पक्षकेदृशाम. They are saying, gopis are saying, hey Brahmaji, you are Jada. Jada means Muraka. Muraka means foolish. And you are not expert to creation. Because you manifested beautiful form of beloved Krishna Govinda. But you give us only 2 eyes. Hey Brahmaji, you have to die. Look, gopis also criticized to Brahma. So in the same way, Gopkumar, when Gopkumar told, hey Mathur Brahman, when I was in the position of a Brahma, so many headaches. Then one day I was thinking, what to do now? Then one day I called all the Veda Puranas. They have to give decision, which is the best. Because different Vedas, different Puranas, they explain different types of sadhana. Sadhana, understand? How to attain to Lord, process. So one day, Gopkumar, he called all Ved, Puran, Upanishad. Give me instruction. What is my duty? They all Ved, Puran, they manifested in the assembly house of Satyaloka. And different Puranas, they explain. Some saying, oh, you perform hard austerities. Some saying, oh, you meditate, they did this. Then finally, Bhagavad Puranam, Srimad Bhagavatam told, no, you practice Suddha Bhakti. Bhakti yogena manasai sammaka praniti amali apusat purusham purna mayancha tadapasram. If you want to deliver from this position of material world, you have to practice bhakti. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Even same other Puranas also explain, bhakti reva nayati, bhakti reva darsati, bhakti bhasa purusha. You have to practice bhakti. Give up all kinds of rules, all kinds of your position. As like Rup Sanatana. They gave up all their position. If you want to practice bhakti, you have to give up all kinds of position. Rup Sanatana gave up now. So in the same way, Srimad Bhagavatam discourses this thing. Srimad Bhagavatam finally give the conclusion. And practice bhakti. But in this Kali Yuga, topmost Bhagavatam, last verse. 12th canto Srimad Bhagavatam, last verse is what? Nama Sankirtanam Jasavajit. Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nam Sankirtan is very powerful. Though there are many processes to attain to Lord, but in this Kali Yuga, only Kirtanakha Bhakti. 9 limbs of Bhakti. But topmost Bhakti is what? Kirtan. Nama Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Or Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in his commentaries. Why are you listening to Bhagavad Katha? How to taste will come chanting holy names. Not other things. Finally is what your ultimate goal. How to taste will come chanting holy names. Name ruchi jive daya sarvadharma sar. The essence of all dharma. That how to taste will come chanting holy names. Not so easy to taste, to chant holy names. All we are listening Hari Katha, everything Tattva, Siddhanta, many things. Why? Only one ultimate goal. How taste will come chanting holy names. Not other thing. For this Rupa Goswami Path again explain his nectar instruction. Tannama Rupacharitadi Sukritananu Smrito Kramana Rasana Manosi Nijadjo Tishtan Vraji Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalang Nayad Akilamitta Upadesa Saram. Is the essence of all instruction. How to taste will come chanting holy names. Hey. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay? This is the conclusion. When you will about to die, last breath. You understand? When you will about to die, last breath is what? Chant holy name. That time no slokas, nothing. Just to chant Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Nothing. Just to chant Krishna Nam. Hare Krishna. Finish. And attend to God. That time you will forget all slokas. All tattva, siddhanta, everything is your. Forget. Only further 2 syllables. What is called? Hare or Krishna. Hare Krishna. Radhe Krishna. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Huh? Understand? Huh. And when sometimes I was reading the Govinda Goswami Maharaj departure, last, Thakurji and Gopalji. This is the process. All you are listening, Harikatha, everything, worshipping, everything. What is that? How to chant holy names. Srimati Radhika she also told. Antimere bandhu hoye. Srimati Radhika she told, Hey Radhe, Hey Lalite, Hey Visakhe. Listen my last prayer. I think Krishna will not come back. Mathura to Vrindavan. So when I will about to die, then my body would bring on the bank of Joguna. Understand? And put some dust of Joguna over my body. And you write Krishna Nam. Gaurabandha. And all you chant Krishna Nam. So saying, and Tadupuri Dive Tulasi Manjari. My body covered with the dust of Joguna, and you write what name? Shyam Nam, Krishna Nam. And you also offer one Tulasi Manjari, because Krishna will not accept without offering Tulasi. So Srimati Radhika, Tadupuri Dive Tulasi Manjari. And then all you chant Krishna Nam. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very nice, beautiful. Birha Katha. Understand? If you listen to this track, your heart will completely heart will melt. Gaurabandha has books in there. The embarkment of separation. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Now his time is over. Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai, jai, jai. Thank you for your kindness. Give me chance to speak some Harikatha to purification my tongue, not other things. Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol,
Ladies and gentlemen, Marty's got to leave. We thank him very, very much for his time and his wonderful